is Joshua Adigun. I am the owner of AJ Tech House YouTube channel. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, share it with your friends, like the videos, and also turn on your notifications so that you get updated or notified whenever I drop a new video. On today's agenda, I would show you how to create a browser profile on Microsoft Edge. So like myself, I like to have different profiles, right? Browser profiles that contains different accounts, and those accounts can be synced to those profiles so that I know when I'm on this particular browser profile, I know that this is Microsoft 365 account A, maybe my individual account, and then on the second browser profile, that's where the admin credentials to the back end or to the admin portal is. So I kind of organize my browser so that I don't have to sign out, sign in, and always having a lot of things mixed up, right? So without wasting much time, I'll just quickly proceed with sharing my screen, and then I would show you how to do this. So first, I have my Microsoft Edge browser launched. So all I need to do, this is actually a very quick and short video. So all I need to do is at the right bottom here, you see settings. I click on settings here, and then I come to profile. I click on add a profile here, and then I click on add. Yeah. You can see at the bottom here, I have a new browser, and as you can see, I have profile 1 Edge, right? I can try to pin it, and then it's pinned, right? If you see the other ones here, I have different profiles here, or browser profiles here. So I can proceed to say office.com, and then it does not interfere with, as you can see, I'm required to sign in. However, on this profile here, I'm signed in with one of my test accounts, right? So it's actually a very short video on how to create a Microsoft Edge browser profile. Thank you very much for your time. Once again, subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and also turn on the notification button so that you get notified on every video or on every new video I drop. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.